Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know that y'all are super sick about seeing this shirt, seeing this same makeup look, but like I said, I was sick. I need to get these videos out. I have more that I want to put up, and I'm kind of stepping in the routine or the way things show up. So these have been sitting here since I've been sick, well, about the last 3 or 4 days. Anyway, they've been sitting here long enough that I want to see what's in them. I want to play with my stuff. So this is, as you read by the title, the Boxycharm Premium Box for July 2021. Now, I will tell you, I did get the premium box for last month. The things that I was loving in there are the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense Protect Thermal Spray. Loving this. Smells good, feels good. It doesn't weigh my hair down. And between curling or straightening or blow drying, I put a lot of heat on my hair. I don't put a lot of hairspray and mousse or gel or paste or glue or that kind of thing in there, but I put a lot of heat on it. So I've been loving this. I've also been loving the Floss Lip Cheek tint. I got mine in the color Sandals. I love the packaging and the screwing it on and off. That is the color that I got. And that is what she looks like. Very, very pretty color. Just a very muted pink. I like it. I like the packaging. I like I can throw it in my bag, and this puppy ain't coming open for nothing. I'm not going to have some ink pen stuck down in there with my bobby pin, and y'all know what I'm talking about. You know. Anyway, the next thing I'm liking, which surprises me, but not really, Wonder Beauty. I absolutely love Wonder Beauty's eye baggage claim eye masks. Um, their illuminating cream with the highlighter on the other end. Wonder Beauty's skincare is fabulous. Their makeup, you cannot pay me to take it, but their skincare is amazing. This is the Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate with retinol in it. I have been absolutely loving this. I use it every other night. It does have retinol in it, so you do want to be careful with how much you're using it if you've not used retinol before. But for me, I have been loving this. All right, so that was June's. I didn't put up June's boxes because they came in July, and I thought, well, it's too late. But BoxyCharm takes just as long for our shit to get to us, so, I'm going to put it up. It just might be the next month for the last month's box. Anyway, enough with that. Okay, BoxyCharm Premium. This is a $35 a month subscription box. In here you get 6 to 7 full-size beauty items. Every time I've gotten premium, it was always 6 items. I've never gotten the 7. I don't even know if that's a real true thing, but that's what they claim. So this is going to be the Boxycharm and Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills takeover box. That was one of the things that made me want to get the premium for this month. And there's a quick story about that. I wasn't supposed to get June's premium box. I had signed up to get July's. And on June 30th, they charged my account for June's premium box. So Boxycharm was a little sneaky snake right there. I'm not going to blow my horn too much because this is the box that I wanted. This is the box I was trying to go after. Here is that box, so I'm good. It is whatever. And besides, I got 3 new products that I never tried before that I'm loving, so I'm good with it. So we do have another takeover box. The last takeover box was from Fenty Beauty. I believe it was in a premium also, so the takeover boxes, I am loving these. I don't have a whole lot of Norvina ABH products. I did have some ABH palettes at one time. Needless to say, I moved. I had to cut some ties. I don't have those anymore, so I'm super excited to get some products that I don't have. I will say that BoxyCharm, if you ever see this video, if you want to do a takeover box that I totally think the Charmers would get down with, can you do a full box of Alamar? Alamar and BoxyCharm takeover would be fabulous. Put it on your socials. Poll it. Johnny and Gabby's live the other day using this palette was absolutely phenomenal. Most of the people in there agreed with me. Alamar Cosmetics should totally be a takeover box. Just my 2 cents. But okay, this time it is Anastasia, ABH, Norvina, and Boxycharm. So the first thing in here is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3. Now, I do own this palette. It is a beautiful palette. More for the fact, orange is my favorite color. The brighter, the better. And butterflies are one of my things I dig. And I use this palette quite a bit. It's a huge palette. These palettes do retail for $60. There is what that palette looks like. Beautiful colors. Totally a summer palette, in my opinion. It's just super, super pretty. Just a sexy palette. I know it looks like chiclets thrown in there, but it's still a super pretty palette. And it's a pigment palette, which means this pink, this purple, this green, the blues, you know, those are going to stain your eyes. It is what it is. We should all know by now what a pressed pigment palette is. So there is the palette that I got in my box. I will say that the Volume 1 palette was also available to come inside these boxes. I did pick mine up on pop-up or add-ons. I never know which it is. You know what I'm talking about. I picked this up when it was available, and I got mine for $24. This is a totally beautiful palette. I like the pinks and purples, and then I just like these. I don't know, it's like a circus going on with these last two rows down here. So, for $24 for a $60 palette, I'm super glad to have it in my collection. These are the only two of these I do have. And I don't know, having another one kind of makes me want to get the rest of them. And I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to work. Comment down below if you're a makeup enthusiast and you agree with me. Is that how it's supposed to work? You get one, you get another one. It's like, oh, I need them all. Is that how it works? All right. So the next thing, it is very nicely bubble wrapped in here. So the next thing I'm seeing is Anastasia. I'm not going to say that. I'm just not going to because it's all. It's all. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Heathers. So, let's see. Liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Full pigment lip formula. Dries down to a weightless matte finish. Smudge-proof wearability. Long-lasting color. Comfortable formula delivers full coverage where that creates the appearance of fuller lips and lasts all day. This retails for 20 bucks. It is separating in the package a little bit, if you can see that. I'm sure with the liquid lipstick and settling and just sitting here for the past few days. Oh, that's a pretty color. Now, I don't know. Some people do not like a dark lip. And then there are some people that just, we gravitate to it. That's a beautiful color. Just super, super sexy. All right. I do want to see how long it takes for that to wear down. I did not. I mean, I got some little smooshes on there of more pigment than other places. You can see it there. So we'll see how long that takes to dry down. So for $20, and I don't have any lipsticks by her, so I'm excited to add it to my collection. Yay. The thing I wanted. I got the thing I wanted. So let's go ahead and go over the thing I wanted. The thing I wanted was the loose setting powder. I've not tried this. Perfect brighten and set makeup in place with loose setting powder by ABH. Lightweight supreme powder formula goes on smoothly as it absorbs oil, minimizes shine, and leaves you with a flawless matte finish. Silky formula gives the complexion a seamless, soft focus effect, blurs the look of imperfections, and extends the wear of your makeup. This retails for $38. So, I did get mine in the color translucent. I don't even know if y'all can read that. Anyway, I got it in the color translucent. This is one of the main things that I wanted in this box. Oh, that doesn't look very translucent. That looks like Derma Blend White. Oh my goodness. It is a huge package. You get 25 grams or 0.9 ounces. That's a lot of powder. That's a lot. For what was it? $38. That's not bad. Okay, so it has one of the little pull thing and throw powder all over these so squishy things. Alright. Oh, yeah, that's just... See, that's not translucent. Translucent will blend away. You can still see it. Alright. We'll see. I'll try it out. But it's not translucent, so that's kind of a little bummer. Alright. The next thing is Tinted Brow Gel. This is the color Chocolate. We all know what a tinted brow gel Tinted Brow Gel is. That is the color of it. I'm not even going to open this right now because my eyebrows are purple. This retails for $22. Lightweight gel, sets brows with a flexible hold, tinted matte finish, fully pigmented formula. Features light reflecting pearls that create natural looking dimension to your finished brow look. Now that. See, things like that kind of make me just want to try it. Go back to the brown brows. I don't know. I'm not going to open it because, as you can tell, I can't even make up my mind up. So, brow gel. Tinted brow gel. Okay. Then we got the loose highlighter. This is in the color Peach Fizz. This is shiny loose highlighter powder with highly reflective iridescent pearls that deliver an intense sparkly payoff. Easy to blend formula. Oh my goodness, can't get it open. Easy to blend formula. Where am I? Okay. Soft, velvety texture. Leaves you with a silky finish like a loose powder version of ABH's Glow Kits. Finely milled, lightweight formula allows for buildable coverage, so you can create everything from subtle luminosity to dramatic high reflect looks. And this retails for $25. Oh, that's super, super pretty. So that is what it looks like. Wonder if it's a gold color. Or is this little picture? Well, no, because it probably matches that. Alright, I'm going to open it. We'll see what it looks like. And I hate opening stuff like this because it looks gold. But then again, it looks pink. If it's gold, I don't want it. I don't like gold on me. I just can't do it. Oh my goodness, it does not want to come off. I did my nails while I've been down sick. And now I can't do anything. Okay. Ha. I think I win. "60 minutes later." Come on. Okay. Oh. See, that's a pretty, pretty color. Oh, I'm so glad I opened that. I will definitely wear that. That is a peach sparkle pink. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I like that. That's a super pretty color. Okay. Alright. I'm okay with that. And then last, we got a pair of false lashes. And this is in the style... False lashes. I'm sorry. In the style Snazzy. Okay, so this is what those lashes look like. They're super cute. They do have the short, long, short, long. They're not as short in the front as I would like, but that's alright. And these retail for $12. Fanned out, fluttery, full strip synthetic lashes with subtle intensity. False lashes by ABH are premium quality lashes that provide comfortable wear and deliver maximum impact. Lightweight, high quality lashes are very easy to apply and adhere to the lash line in seconds. Add volume, length, and thickness to your lash look with ease, making mascara optional. No matter your style, these lashes remain undetectable, blending in with your natural lash line. Each set provides up to 20 wears. So, alright, I can get down with some lashes. So, I will leave how much my box was worth right here. I am super excited about everything I got. Even that brow tint. and the palette. Now, I do own this palette. I did buy the first one also. I will have to see if Samantha would like to have this palette. As colorful as it is, who knows? I say she doesn't, and then I get told, oh yeah, Mom, I would like that. So I will ask Samantha what she wants to do with this. If she does not want it, this will also be in a giveaway. So I love the palette. I already owned it. The lashes I will definitely be using. The brow gel tint has got me wondering. The lipstick, let's check out that lipstick. So we put it on. As you can tell, I did get powder in it because I'm a complete slob. But, no. I don't know about fully drying down. So, there's that. I'm going to say that it sticks for a long time but completely fully dried down. The proof is in not the pudding, because here we are. Okay. The powder, as much as I wanted this looks like Dermablend white. I mean, that is some white powder. It says translucent. is not, but I will use it. And the highlighter surprised me. That is a beautiful color. I really thought it was going to be a gold, but then it shifts to pink, so I am glad that I opened it. So yeah, I was very, very happy with my Boxycharm Norvina takeover box. Like I said, Boxycharm, if you see this, Alamar Cosmetics needs to be the next takeover box. That would totally flip everybody's gourd. So let me know in the comments below what you got in your Boxycharm Premium. Are you still Boxycharming? Are you kicking them to the curb? Have you had enough? Let me know. If you've got any of these products, let me know how they worked out for you. If you're new here, do hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, leave me a comment, at least say you stopped by. And until next time, guys, stay positive, and I love y'all. Bye.